Hey guys, I have a few shrimp here, and I have some shiitake mushroom. So there is it, and I'm gonna, I have some nice seasoning here, which I'm gonna fry all this up, stir fry, so you guys could see. Hey guys, so I finished cut up the mushroom shiitake. I washed the shrimps. I washed this shiitake mushroom, and I prepared some seasoning. Now I'm gonna do the cooking, so you guys gonna see how nice I cook. Hey guys, so here I seasoned the shrimp and with some Italian seasoning and some black pepper and salt. So I put it here to fry right now. I'm gonna see the next step. So it's frying here right now. So now I'm gonna add the seasoning. So here I put the seasoning. Let me try, then I add the mushroom. Remember, that's a shiitake mushroom. So the seasoning I put in there. It's already ready for the mushroom. It's looking all good. So here's my mushroom frying right now. So when it's finished, I'll let you see. Hey guys, as you can see, my shrimp and shiitake mushroom finished. You see, if you notice, I didn't peel the shrimp because it's cooked and it's going to be softer when you eat it. But it's finished now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye. You can also eat this with some roti, rice, whatever you feel like eating it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Hey, so this is my shrimps and my shiitake mushroom looking very nice. Thank you guys for watching. This is Oriental Spice Bye.